yes, Mr. Ed Gibson, who will tell us all about Sonny Boy. Mr. Ed Gibson.
You're my dearest prize, Sonny Boy. Sent from out to the skies, Sonny Boy. You've no way of knowing, there's no way of showing what you mean to me, Sonny Boy. When there are gray skies, I don't mind the gray skies. You make them blue, Sonny Boy. Friends may forsake me, let them all forsake me. I'll still have you, Sonny Boy. You're sent from heaven, and I know your worth. You've made a heaven for me right here on earth. When I'm old and gray, dear, promise you won't stray, dear, for I love you so, Sonny Boy. Climb upon my knees, Sonny Boy. You are only 3, Sonny Boy. Let me hold you near. One thing makes you tear. You've your mother's eyes, Sonny Boy. When there are gray skies, I don't mind the gray skies. You make them blue, Sonny Boy. When there are gray skies, no, I don't mind those gray skies, because you make them blue, Sonny Boy. You're sent from heaven, and I know your worth. You made a heaven for me right here on earth, but the angels, they grew lonely. They took you because they're lonely. But I'll follow you, Sonny Boy.
That is Mr. Ed Gibson, removed by the book, and Mr. Dennis Elslander, mercifully removed by the angels. Now, who best to follow Mr. Ed Gibson but Miss Linda Beaumont, telling us the tale of the unfortunate Will and the bird in Nellie's hat. Ladies and gentlemen, a real foot-stamping welcome for Miss Linda Beaumont.
Every Saturday, Willie got his pay, then he'd call on Nell. Trousers neatly pressed and nice white vest, buttonhole bouquet as well. Now on Nellie's little hat, there was a little bird. That little bird knew lots of things. And as he took her hand and said he meant it grand, Nellie winked the other eye. And I haven't caught a fish, what do you think of that? Said Nellie with a most bewitching look. You can bet she knows her business, said the bird on Nellie's hand. And Willie is the fish she's going to root. It's 12 o'clock, said Willie as he walked her home. I'll bet you never out as late as that. Well, it don't go Nellie like I do, said that saucy little bird on Nellie's hand. Autumn came along, love's young tree all wrong. Willie came to call. Servant with a grin says, she's not in, Nellie's gone away, that's all. Poor Willie's heart was broke, his life seemed all in vain. And then one day in Liverpool he saw his Nell again. Says he, we meet once more. Says she, those dream is o'er, but we can be real good friends. And I'll keep your present, sweetheart, just for old time's sake, said Nellie as she rolled those dreamy eyes. She has fixed him good and plenty, said the bird on Nellie's hat. Hey, Willie, Willie, can't you realise? Yes, but how about the diamond engagement ring? Said Willie, surely you'll return me that.
More of Miss Linda Beaumont later on.